Hi, get ready me for today. The first part to use is the Drunk Elephant Day song. The second part to use is the Holy Hydration Daily Moisturizer from e.l.f. And the last part to use is the Holy Hydration Eye Cream from e.l.f. Hi everybody, I hope everyone's having a good day today. Today I've got to do some housework and get some things going and work done around the house. Then I might work on some other stuff around here, make some bands, some bracelets for Christmas. And yeah, just love my animals, take care of them, and chill. What's on everyone's agenda for today? What does everyone have planned going on today? Anything exciting going on in anybody's life or anything? Getting excited for Thanksgiving and Christmas and just celebrating my sister's birthday tomorrow. I can't believe tomorrow's my sister's birthday. And my animals were chilling and they're doing good today. And I hope everyone has a blessed day today. And just be safe out there. Thank y'all for liking and commenting on my videos. And that means a lot to me. I really do appreciate it. And I'm so glad y'all like what I do. And these is my little get ready with me's. And I just enjoy making content for everybody to enjoy. And I'm so glad y'all enjoy it. And yeah, today's going to be a good day. Everyone has a good day. Be safe and all out there. What else might get ready for me? I hope everyone has a blessed day. Tell me what you're going to do today and how's everyone's day going. Talk to you later. See you tomorrow. Bye.